Lesson 4. Jesus, our faithful brother. Hebrews chapter 2 verse 14. Inasmuch then as the children have partaken of flesh and blood, he himself likewise shared in the same, that through death he might destroy him who had the power of death, that is the devil. In Hebrews chapter 1, Jesus is the divine Lord, creator, sustainer, and sovereign. In Hebrews chapter 2, we have a different scenario where we have Jesus is the human high priest, merciful and faithful. So we are going to learn about Jesus as our faithful brother. The brother is a redeemer. When Adam sinned, human beings fell under the power of Satan. As a result, we did not have the power to resist sin, which there was a penalty that our transgression required, which we could not pay. Jesus, however, adopted our human nature and became flesh and blood like us. He became our nearest relatives and redeemed us. He was not ashamed to call us brothers. So Jesus wasn't ashamed to call them brethren. Hebrews chapter 2 verse 11. Despite being one with God, Jesus embraces us as part of his family. So Jesus sees us as part of his family. As our Redeemer, Jesus has paid our debt. And as our brother, Jesus has shown us the way that we should live in. So Jesus was both our Redeemer and our brother, flesh and blood like us. Hebrews says that Jesus adopted our human nature so he could represent us and could die for us. So when we talk of flesh and blood, we are talking of Jesus being in human nature. However, Jesus was different from us regarding sin. First, Jesus did not commit any sin. Second, Jesus had a human nature that was wholly innocent and unstained, separated from sinners. Then Jesus destroyed the power of the devil by dying as a sinless offering for our sins, thus making possible our forgiveness and reconciliation with God. Perfected through suffering. What does this mean? Perfected through suffering. It was through suffering that the reality of Jesus' brotherly love was truly expressed and revealed. So Jesus was never a sinner. The brother is a model. Another reason Jesus adopted our human nature and lived among us was so that he could be our example, the only one who could model for us what is the right way to live before God. Brethren, we have Jesus, who is our faithful brother, whom we can look up to, who loves us and who cares about us. Be blessed. May the Lord bless you. Amen.